Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by sorting quickly. Group by use, size, and fragility so you know what must be accessed versus archived. Once sorted, pick containers that match needs, stackable bins for frequent access, vacuum bags for soft goods, padded boxes for breakables, and label each clearly. Measure the storage area and plan layout to leave about 10 to 15% extra room for airflow or future items. This prevents damage and keeps retrieval simple. You pack smart. Place heavy items on the bottom so stacks stay stable, and nest fragile items in the center with padding around them to absorb shocks. Once packed, use clear bins or color-coded labels so you can spot categories at a glance and write a short contents list on each lid. After that, create a simple index, shelf number, bin ID, and key contents, so you won't hunt later. This saves minutes every retrieval. You finish by arranging bins by frequency. Frequently used items at eye level, seldom used ones high or low. Once done, control climate. Keep a stable temperature and moderate humidity. Add desiccants for sensitive materials and check vents so air circulates. If you spot pests, moisture, or odors, stop, relocate affected items, open and inspect packaging, and replace any compromised padding or bags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.